Welcome back with another video to my YouTube channel Tech Info 101. So basically today we will talk about what is the best home insurance in 2023. How do we review which home insurance policies get the best rating? Money Facts product experts undertake an annual review of all the home insurance products available in the UK. They take a whole of market look at the home insurance policies, collecting over 70 fields of information for each individual product before analyzing and comparing them to produce ratings. Those that offer the best range of features and benefits are awarded a top rating of 5 stars. The chart below shows a selection of those awarded 4 and 5 stars. View the full list of winners at the end of this page. Money Facts star rating 5 stars. Home combined insurance. If you are looking for a cheap home insurance, get a quote with Admiral. You could pay as little as €113 if your insurance is your home. Based on 10% of Admiral Tire, Instaquote building and contents combined, customers between January and June 2021 paid from €113. Home buildings. If you are looking for cheap buildings insurance, get a quote with Admiral. You could pay as little as €103 based on 10% of 856 Admiral Tire Instaquote customers between January and June 2021 paid from €103. Home contents. If you are looking for cheap content insurance, get a quote with Admiral. You could pay as little as €54 based on 10% of Admiral Tire Instaquote customers between January and June 2021 paid from €54. Money Facts star rating 5 stars. The AA covers accidental damage as standard for any non-portable gas and electrical appliances like cookers and washing machines, or for fixed mirrors and glass in the furniture like dressing tables or TV stands. The AA will replace any lost, stolen, or damaged item with brand new ones, and no one take anything off, even if they were worth a bit less now due to wear and tear. If something happens like fire, flooding, or subsidence and you cannot live in your home, the AA will pay for alternative accommodation. Burst pipe. No problem. The AA will repair any loss or damage and pay you up to €5,000 to find the source and make good any damage caused by the search in finding the leak. So, Money Facts stars. Now we are talking about the John Lewis and partners. Money Facts star rating 5 stars. Up to unlimited buildings and content cover with gold cover. Unlimited matching sets cover with gold cover. Up to unlimited alternative accommodation cover with gold cover. Tailor your policy to include optional add-ons like bicycle, gadgets, and legal expenses cover. Change or cancel your policy on any time without paying the fees. Swinton. Swinton Insurance. Money Facts star rating 5 stars. Build your home insurance policy to suit you. Add a handy optional extra to your policy at any time. Home legal expenses comes as standard with our premier home insurance and can be added to our classic and essential home insurance policy. Assess your documents online and make changes or renew our policy. You can also choose to take out separate buildings and contents insurance policies. Combined buildings and contents insurance from €107 per year. Saga. Money Facts star rating 5 stars. Saga's home insurance policy are unique products designed for people over 50. With Saga Plus insurance, your price stays the same for 3 years if nothing changes. T and CS apply. Which recommended provider? Home Insurance March 2020. Saga Plus includes the following as which recommended provider Home Insurance March 2022. Saga Plus includes the following as standard accidental damage cover, no cancellation fee, and you can leave your home for up to 60 days and still be covered. Underwritten by number of insurers. Alan Boswell Group, UK-based claim support, flexible policy tailored to your needs with contents cover starting from €15,000. Full accidental damage cover available. TVs, computers, and audio equipment automatically included. Up to €1,000 for replacement of external doors, locks if the keys are lost or stolen. Up to €1 million cover if you need to rebuild your property. Garden cover and business use included as standard. Additional cover available for travel, home emergency, family legal and personal belongings. More than. We do more. Manufacturer star rating 5 stars. 7.8 out of 10 customers renew with more than data May 2021 April 2022. Award-winning home insurance with their upgraded buildings and contents cover rated 5 stars by Manufacturer for 6 years in a row. Choose from 2 levels of cover, primary and upgraded. Up to 1 million buildings cover and up to 1 lakh euros contents cover as standard. Up to €200 home emergency assistant as standard. Must use a more than authorized tradesperson's footer. Home emergency assistance is not available for the first 7 days the policy is taken out. Code Zone. Codezone.co.uk. Search and compare the cheap quotes from over 50 UK insurance providers including Hastings, M&S, OneCall and AXA. Compare the quotes for buildings only policy, contents only policy or combined buildings and contents insurance. See how much you could save today. With Code Zone rewards and unlock an entire platform of cashback and discounts for a full year just for completing an insurance quote. Save online at least 1000 retailers. Earn cashback on your everyday shopping. Enter free competition. So sure. Start your morning with the win-win content insurance. Protect the stuff you love in minutes with our customizable policy. Get 1 month free when you pay yearly. No hidden fees. Same prices at renewal. Included as a standard in our cover. Fire and smoke, theft and vandalism, storms and floods, tenants and liability, public and personal liability, alternative accommodation, items in garden, shared areas, freezer, goods, household leak, reduce your access by your app. Home Protect. And if we talk about now further, there is a cover Ballo and policy expert, and these are the best life insurance companies that will provide you best home insurance in 2023. And according to me and according to moneyfacts.co.uk, this these 10 are the best and most affordable life insurance, or you can simply say that home insurance companies in 2023. For such an amazing and outstanding videos about the life insurance or something else like advice on finance, you can also subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Info 101, and we will be back with our brand new video in upcoming few days. Thanks a lot for watching video. Goodbye.